There we are. Okay, so this is from Hive Science. Usually a pretty good resource for science news. Actually, this was brought to my attention by none other than R and Raw in our Phylogeny Explorer Project Facebook group. Biggest bacterium ever discovered amazes scientists with its complexity. A newfound bacteria is bigger than a fruit fly. That's huge. This is a huge organism, biggest bacteria ever discovered. A newfound bacterium can grow up to 0.78 inches, 2 centimeters long. This image shows how a different bacterium with a similar long, skinny shape to the newly discovered microbe. Scientists discovered an absolutely massive bacterium that can be seen without the aid of a microscope and lurks among the mangroves of Grand Terra in the Caribbean, Science magazine reports. The single-celled organism can grow up to 0.78 inches, 2 centimeters long, and resembles a thin string, according to a report describing the discovery posted in February 18th to the preprint database bioRxiv. The bacterium carries all its DNA inside a membranous pouch, unlike most bacteria, whose genetic material floats unbound within their cells. The feature not only sets the newfound microbe apart from other bacteria, but also distinguishes it from other prokaryotes, a group of organisms with very small, simple cell structures. The group includes organisms found in bacteria and archaea domains. In contrast to prokaryotes, eukaryotes such as animals, plants, and fungi have a more complex cells that contain a nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. The newfound enormous microbe toes the line between prokaryote and eukaryote in that it carries its DNA in a membrane-bound pouch, and it also carries a second large pouch full of water, which takes up more than 70% of its cell's total volume, science reports. The water-filled pouch squishes all the cell's contents up against the outermost edge, which may help life-sustaining molecules diffuse into the cells more easily, while the toxins pass easily out, science reported. A large sulfur-eating bacterium in the genus Thiomargarita carries the same kind of water-filled pouch, and based on its similarity, plus a genetic analysis, the researchers concluded that the newfound bacterium might belong to the same genus. They propose that the homogeneous microbe may be T. magnifica. The humongous bacterium could be a missing link in the evolution of complex cells. Kazuhiro Takimoto, a computational biologist at Kyushu Institute of Technology, told Science, "It's all too often bacteria are thought of as small, simple, unevolved life forms, so-called bags of proteins." Chris Greening, a microbiologist at Monash University, who was not involved in the study, told Science, "But this bacterium shows that it couldn't be much further from the truth." Read more about the expectation-defying microbe in Science, but we're just going to read this blurb today. It's pretty cool, though. I'll open it up so we can. I don't know if they have any actual images of the organism. Let's see. Ooh. We're going to mute it, though. And blow it up. There we go. Play. Look at these. Isn't this amazing? What a time to be alive. Look at these. This bacterium. Like, seriously, that is a bacterium. Look how huge it is. You can see the letters. This is readable writing right here, and that's a bacterium. Being able to see that with your naked eye is just phenomenal. Just phenomenal. This is amazing. An amazing find. Oh, there's so much more details on here, too. So if you're interested, This is at science.org, largest bacterium ever discovered. This article, I should have probably read this one instead of that other one, but that's okay. Science, Life Science is always good for just a quick breakdown of what they've discovered, and we're kind of short on time here. So